Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will make milk buns recipe. We will make this without using the oven. This is my first time to make bread without oven. So let's see if we can make it. So first we have our half cup of milk, warm milk, and we have to put 4 tablespoons of yeast. So we put it all. Ayan. 1 sachet is equivalent to 11 grams or 4 teaspoons of yeast. And we have to mix a pinch of sugar. Ayan. And we mix it. So we have to set aside. And we have our flour. This flour is already sifted. Half teaspoon of baking soda. So just mix. Okay guys, this is a 2 cups of flour with half teaspoon of baking soda. Our yeast is already bubbles. So tingnan mo, ang kapal ng bubbles. So ihalo na natin. We will just mix this in flour. Also, we have to add 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 50 grams of butter, we have 1 egg here, so we can mix again. So the all ingredients is already mixed. Unti na siyang smooth. Ayan, masahin lang ng tudong-tudo as an exercise. Ayan, nagsusmooth na siya. Maybe okay na ito. Ayan, okay na ito. Ayan, okay na yan. We have to put it in a bowl. This bowl. And a little bit of oil. Ayan. Little bit of oil. Spread lang natin ng oil. Ayan. So, ilagay natin sa loob. And a little bit of oil again. Ayan. Lagyan natin ng oil sa ibabaw. Para mag-smooth siya. After 1 hour guys, ito na. This is the result after 1 hour. If you want, you can have 1.5 hours or more. Form this one. The result. Release the bubbles. Release the bubbles. Divide it to 8 pieces. Just go it round and round and round. So, then and guys, and cover again for at least half hour. Taran! Di Brun.